Without a banner, your Etsy shop looks boring, unfinished, or a little unprofessional, and it takes less than 30 seconds to add one. Let me show you how to do it in 2026. From your Etsy homepage, you have to scroll to the top and click on Shop Manager. Then on the sidebar on the left, you're gonna see your shop name appear, and you just click on the little pencil icon near it. And now you're gonna see this menu appear, and from here you just click on banner, and now you have two options, adding a mini banner or a big one. The mini one is 15:2 aspect ratio, keep that in mind if you want to do a mini one, and the big one is 4:1. In our case, I'm going to show you how to do both. So I'm going to click on the big banner, add image, and from here is my big banner, and as you can see it takes a few seconds to load, and it's done. And I'll just click on save, and yeah, we've added the banner. And if you change your mind, you want to switch to a mini one, you just click on this little pencil icon here and switch to mini. And I have to add a new image. If I already prepared a mini banner, just click on it and that's done. But in my case, I like the big one a little bit better. So I'm gonna switch once again to big one, and you just click on save and it's finished. Now you just click on view on it to see how it's gonna look like. And now it looks way better. But if you change your mind and you don't want the banner, just do the same steps, go back to shop manager, click on the pencil icon. From here, just click once again on the pencil icon, change layout, click on none, done, you click on save, and now the banner is gone. We're gonna go back to the Etsy store, and as you can see, the banner is gone. That's everything. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.